Hi guys, hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I have two M steering wheels from BMW E46 or E39. One model is facelift model and the other is pre-facelift. But if you want to replace the older model with the newer model, it just doesn't fit. Some adjustments needs to be done. After these adjustments, everything will be in function, all the buttons and the airbag. This is one-stage airbag. And the facelift model is two-stage airbag, but when you are putting the newer steering wheel in the older model car, then you will have only one stage, and this is enough. This will fit the purpose. So you need to use this connector and this connector to use one-stage airbag. Only the biggest problem is to fit this slip ring to a newer model. The attachments are not the same, so I will need to make some adjustments from the aluminium. So enjoy and stay until the rest of the video. And now the steering wheel is now ready to mount in any pre-facelift model car, I mean on E39 and E46. This one is M as well, but especially this one from the truck. These are the ugliest that I've seen, but this one is the most beautiful and with no compromise. You can eat the meal from it, and with this one you get a totally different car. As you could see, the procedure is not so complicated. It's not a science fiction, but some tools and patience is required. But before removing the old one, you need to disconnect the 12-volt battery, because you will get the warning airbag light, and this light you can only shut down with the diagnostic tools. And when you're removing the sleep ring, put some tape here, because it needs to stay in the same rotary position. So if you like this kind of the content, share, like and subscribe, check out the merchandise, and see you all in the next video.